Hello friends, welcome to my famous YouTube channel to watch more creative videos on FastAPI using Python. As we have gone through plenty of videos on FastAPI such as Introduction to FastAPI, then FastAPI with DebDB, then FastAPI with Pandas, then curl operation using FastAPI, then FastAPI with face detection and recognition, and many more. Our latest video was FastAPI connection with React.js. So today's video is really creative and innovative and interesting. It is about displaying records in JSON format using database SQLite using FastAPI. So let us go through the program first. I have been struggling a lot for the dependencies and libraries need to installed in this part. Really struggled with hard. Here replace with MySQL. Okay, right now we'll be SQLite. Then later on we'll go through MySQL. So these are methods, API method for this thing. Now, since we are interacting with server, we have a session. Now I will execute the program. Yes. Now I will add the record. For name Kapoor, secret Munna, age 69. Yes. So it has been displayed ID 4, name Anil Kapoor, secret name Munna, age 69. So what I will do now, I will simply, yes, no, copy the URL and paste it here. Yes, all the records are being displayed in JSON format. You can see here secret name string, ID 0 so secret name Rahul, name Shah Khan, ID 1 age, then secret name chocolate name Amir, ID 3 and Munna Anil Kapoor. So I successfully done with using SQLite with displaying records at the front end using FastAPI. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on FastAPI. I have been struggling lot for React.js. I want to do videos on FastAPI with React.js, but I have been struggling a lot. I hope I will do more videos on FastAPI, and later on then I will go to Raspberry Python. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com for latest update about Python, machine learning, FastAPI, Node.js, React.js. Thanks for watching.